Mommy, what is that?
It's a medicine for your cough and allergies.
A medicine for my cough and the allergies?
Yes.
Does it make my cough go away?
Yes, of course. Here, take this one.
I'm okay now, Mommy.